So, how do you make Discord groups on Discord Mobile? So, to start off, let's open up the Discord application. Now, here we just need to head over to Messages on the top left, and we just need to click on the plus sign on the bottom right, and we just need to click on New Group, and let's proceed to check on the ones that we want to add to our group. So for this one, I'm just going to add some random people here and proceed on creating it with on the top right. So just hit create. And as you can see, it has now made a new group here. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.